Hi LearnDash users. MathML is a mathematical markup language for describing mathematical notations and capturing both its structure and content. If you want to create math quizzes by using MathML code, we have a fantastic plugin for it. Just install our Excel to LearnDash Quiz Import plugin. Download the import template for Excel. Then, fill up the quiz questions title and answer options with the code in following formats. Your MathML code here. Kindly note that on every code, the first line actually calls for the MathML library in your code. Fill marks in the point column. Fill category column for question category. For correct answer, suppose answer option in column A is correct. Then write alphabet A in the answer column. Write questions in the question title column. Questions title should not match each other. Write quiz title in the quiz name column. You can assign quizzes to specific courses or lesson or topic by mention exact same course title. Now save this template. After fill all your desired columns, you need to import it from plugin setting page. That's it. Your quizzes will import within a few seconds and also attach to the courses. Isn't it great? So, if you liked this video, please subscribe our channel for more updated on Excel to LearnDash Quiz Importer.